See, in the last session, what we have discussed quickly, let me explain. How can we apply CSS to HTML? Nothing but how can we apply styles to the web pages? Right here it is in three ways. One is a inline, second one is a internal, and third one is a external. Third one is external. First of all, inline means what? We already discussed that in a body. In body, right? If you are writing, simply I'm explaining here quickly. If you are writing two paragraphs, it's a first paragraph and it's a second paragraph. Sir, I want to apply different styles, right? I want to apply different styles to different paragraphs. Then we are using the style attribute here. Just color is a blue color. For the second paragraph, if you want to apply style is equals to color is a green color. This is the simple way. Inline means what? We can apply styles to individual HTML elements. Sir, how can we apply? We can apply using style attribute. Using style attribute in body. This is the first one. And look at the second one. Internal. Internal means what? Same, suppose I'm writing the body. I'm writing that body. But sir, I want to apply same color to multiple paragraphs. Why you are writing the repeated code? Just inside that head location. Inside the head location, we are using style attribute. Using style attribute. In this style attribute, simply we are writing paragraph. This is CSS syntax. Color is a suppose blue. That's all. This is the way we are applying. Internal means what? We can apply same style to different HTML elements. In CSS, more briefly, we will discuss. Nothing but n number of examples we will discuss on this. This is the one. Next, how can we apply? We can apply using style tag, not a style attribute. Important. That is internal. Now, that last one is a external. External means what? To multiple web pages. To multiple web pages. Right? Here, suppose let me explain multiple. Let me write a multiple things. Suppose here, I'm taking HTML and here it is a HTML. Now we are writing the code. First body I'm writing. In this one, first one, we are writing HTML. Suppose H2. HTML simply is used to, in paragraph, I'm writing is used to develop web pages. Simple. Web pages. Next one, again H2. CSS. H2 paragraph is used to apply styles to web pages. I'm writing like this. Next one, again H2 is a JavaScript. H2 is a JavaScript. Paragraph is used to provide functionality to web pages. functionality to web pages. This is the first one. I'm saving with the desktop is one.html. Same one, let me copy file, new file, HTML page. Second one is a 2.html I'm writing. 2 pages I'm writing now. In the second page, here it is suppose core Java is used to develop desktop applications. Advanced Java is used to develop web applications. Next one is a frameworks. Suppose Spring Boot or simply frameworks. Frameworks are used to develop enterprise level applications. Suppose I'm writing like this. In 1.html, I'm writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In 2.html, I'm writing core Java, advanced Java, and frameworks. Okay. Sir, headings in blue color. Next one, paragraphs in green color. I want to do. Do it in head location. Just simply we are writing in a style tag. Here we are writing to all headings H2 na. To all headings we are writing color is a blue color. Next one, to all paragraphs color is a green color. Applying like this. Blue color and green color we are applying like this simply. Okay. See here now automatically will be applicable. Look at this. Okay. See here it is the same one we are doing. The same one we are doing for the second one also. We are doing for second one also. Okay. Now, when you are executing this one also, you are getting like this. The first one and second one. The question is same styles to multiple web pages. Na? Here, okay, 2 web pages are there. For 2 web pages we have written. But suppose lot of CSS code is there. Lot of CSS. Imagine, suppose if you are taking suppose Ameerpettechnologies.com. Okay, in this one, Java full stack training is there. This is the page. A lot of code we need to write here for styles, apply styles. Same for .NET full stack also it will be same. UI full stack also it will be same. Like a Python full stack also it will be same. Right? So in the same way, for example is a C language, it will be same. The same one, data structures, it will be same. It is like this. A lot of CSS code if you want to apply to multiple web pages. What we have to write means what? Don't write this code here and don't write this code here. Don't write this code here and here. Then where I should write the code? Where I should write the code? Simply external CSS file we need to create. External CSS file. So see, look at this. I'm taking one file, just normal text, but I'm saving file save any name you can give. My styles dot css. Extension should be dot css. Extension should be dot css. This is the way. Okay na? Now, up to here is a good. Up to here is good. Save. All are on same location only. Same location. This is the first web page. 1 HTML, 2 HTML, and this is a CSS. My styles dot CSS. Now we are writing coding here. Sir, what is the code? Simple code for all H2. Just writing color is a red color. I'm just changing the color. For all paragraphs, giving that color is a blue color. Blue color. Okay, I have written the CSS code separately. But how can you connect here? How can you connect here? Here you need to use one link tag. You need to use what? Link. href. href. Reference you need to specify. Sir, what is the name you have given? My styles dot css. Exactly same name. What is the type? Relative type actually. It's a style sheet type. This you must write. This is the link you need to specify. That's all. It's nothing but you are connecting the name. See, this is what you have created. Same name you have to write without any change. If you are writing here some other name, please use the same name here. That is. And the same link you need to specify in a 2.html also. That's it. Now when you run the code, look at this automatically changed. Sir. Okay. అవునా? Okay, okay. Okay. వెళ్దాం వస్తావు అయితే పావుగంటలు వస్తా. Okay, that is. Now here it is the same 2.html also. External style sheet. What is that? External style sheet. That is. Okay, na? Simply one point you need to understand. What is the point? Sir, here it is one file is there. Here also one file is there. Here also one file is there. One file is there. For all these, sir, in body, I am writing. Suppose 3 paragraphs. Simply I am writing. I'm explaining like this. One paragraph. Second paragraph. Third paragraph. Just for practice sake, you need to practice. Na? Third paragraph. Body closed. Body closed. The same one, sir. In the next one also. In the next one also, here it is a 4, 5, 6. Here it is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. And here also 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Normally, I'm writing just so you can quickly practice. If you want to apply same color to all paragraphs, this is just define like 1.html, and this is defined like a 2.html, and this is defined like a 3.html. And please write here any name you can give. Styles.css file. Create one file, save with the name extension is .css. Inside this, just write P and make the color is a blue color. That's all. Write this much code. And that you need to connect here in head location. In head location, use link. Link href is equals to styles.css space styles.css space. Another one is what? Relative. Which type of file is a style sheet? You need to write this one. And this is heading. You need to specify this with heading. Simple way. Simple way. The same code you need to apply here and you need to apply here. You need to apply here. That's all. So automatically this will applicable here, this will applicable here, and this will applicable here. Is a simply call it as an external style sheet. What is the purpose? Use it to apply same styles to different web pages. That is. Can you please try quickly, everybody? So after that, let me explain about the tables concept. So what is the table? Means representing the data in two-dimensional format is called table. Suppose I'm creating a table like this. First, a small table with a 2 rows and 2 columns. Here it is a information also I'm specifying here is a 1, 2, 3, and is a 4. Here what we need to understand, first of all, how many rows are there and how many columns are there. Is a first row, is a row 1 and is a row 2. This is row 1 is a first row and it is the second row, row 2. And this is the column 1 and it is a column 2. So first of all, how can we write this one? In an easy way, how can we write it? Okay, remember, first, if you want to create the table, first you need to specify the table tag, table, starting and ending. Please write the ending as soon as you write the starting one, so that you will not confuse when you are writing a large code. After that, you need to decide how many rows are there. How can you represent row means what? The tag is tr. This is row, TR. Next row is a TR, TR. This is important. Is representing the first row and it is representing the second row. TR means what? Table row. Next. In the first row, how many columns are there? Two columns are there. Two columns. How can we represent columns? Means TD. TD. This is first column. TD is a second column. 1, 2. And here it is first row completed. And in the second row, we are specifying is a third column, 3, and is a fourth column, is a 4, like this. See, whenever you are specifying, everything you need to specify with the table tag. Two rows are there, is a first row and is a second row. In each row, two columns are there. First column, second column. Same is a first column and is a second column. Like this. When you are executing this, but see, it will give without borders. Just if you want to specify the border, of course, later with the CSS, you need to write actually border equals to, here it is, you need to specify the width 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on that, borders will come. For every individual element also, right item also border is coming. But just for representation is the simple way. Okay. Let me explain one more example. Just quickly practice this, everyone. Next, one more example. So for example, here, I'm creating like this. Employee table or employee details is a table name. And here, I want to create like this. In the first row, I need to specify the headings. What are the headings? Employee ID or employee number, employee name, and salary. And salary. And the details we are writing is a 101. Name, salary. 102. Name, salary. Like this, we are taking like. So first of all, how many rows are there? Total 3 rows are there. So here we are providing the 3 rows first. Is the first row close? Next second row started, close. Next third row started, close, close. 3 rows. For 3 rows, first of all, we need to set the caption. Caption is employee details. Here, above all the rows, caption is there. Caption is employee details. It will be centered to the table automatically. Is a caption. Second one, in the first row, total 3 headings are there. Not data, 3 headings. Headings we are representing with the TH. Employee number. Next, employee name. Next, employee salary. 3 headings are there. In the second row, right here it is a data is there. TD is 101. Next one, TD is a name. Next one is a salary. Is a TD is there. Once the second row completes, then is a third row. Is a 102. The name and is a 35,000. Is the way. Clearly, First, whenever you are writing the starting tag, please don't forget to write the ending tag also. As soon as you start the table tag, just give the caption for that table. After the total 3 rows are there, first write 3 rows starting tag and ending tag, followed by in each row 3 columns you please define. Is the way. When you run this code, look at this. It is representing the table like this. Employee details, number, name, and salary. Right? Everyone, please practice today only how can we apply CSS in different ways to web pages and this simple table also. Right? Here it is in the next class. I'm going to explain nested tables, some merging the columns, merging the rows, how to print the timetable and all. Ordered list and unordered list also I'll explain. Mostly by tomorrow, we can complete the HTML, including the forms also, buttons, checkboxes, radio buttons, and everything. Okay.